Well, we are speaking to each other, of course, on the day of Prince Philip's funeral. Do you envisage that the relationship, the special relationship between Malta and the royal family will continue?
Definitely not. It will continue as it was before. First of all, because one has to realize that after all those years of relationship between Malta and Britain, there are large communities of Maltese residing in UK, and the same with large communities of British people living in Malta. So that is something which definitely cannot be put aside. On the other hand, as I said, the relationship with the royal family, there's always been a lot of respect. I mentioned, the time they were staying in Malta, both His Royal Highness and Her Majesty, which was still Queen Prince Elizabeth. At that time, there was also, as I said, Lord Mountbatten, and I know everybody knows about pictures of Prince Charles and Princess Anne bathing on the coastline in Malta together with Lord Mountbatten and his wife. These were familiar photos for us. So I can assure you there is no way one can think of any deterioration in the relationships between Malta and the royal family. And as I said, at the moment we bring back Villa Guardamangia as a museum of the royal family, we are sure that it will attract lots and lots of interest from British and Commonwealth tourists that come to see our country.
I'm sure it will. We're very grateful to you for your time. Thank you so much. That is President Vella, George Vella, the President of Malta. Thank you so much.